Rearrange the expression for the first line in the form r equal to a1 plus lambda b1. Vector a1 is I minus 2j plus 3k. Vector b1 is minus I plus j minus 2k. Similarly, we express the second line in the form r bar equal to a2 plus mu b2 and obtain vectors a2 and b2. Looking at b1 and b2, we see that the direction ratios of the two lines are not proportional and b1 and b2 are not parallel, so the given lines are not parallel. We will check whether the lines intersect or not by finding a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2. First we calculate a2 minus a1. Now calculate b1 cross b2 using the determinant. Now we calculate the dot product a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 using the components. a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 is 8, which is not equal to 0. That means the lines do not intersect. Therefore, we can conclude that two lines are skew lines. Now we will find the magnitude of b1 cross b2 using this formula. So mod b1 cross b2 equal to root 29. So substitute into the formula for shortest distance between two lines.